Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device. Check model compatibility and back up to iCloud or a computer so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, plug into power and join a strong Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Make sure you have at least a couple gigabytes free. If not, delete large apps or offload photos. Then open Settings, go to General, and tap Software Update to start the download. This initiates the first actionable step in the process. You download the update and watch the progress. The phone will verify the package when finished. Once verification completes, tap Install and enter your passcode when prompted so the process can proceed securely. Make sure you don't interrupt power or network. This prevents corrupt installs. If you run into storage or network limits, connect the device to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to apply the update manually. This alternative route often succeeds whenever you let the device restart and perform final setup. Once it boots, confirm the new iOS version under Settings, General, About, and update apps via the App Store. Make sure features and accounts sync correctly and review privacy settings the update may reset. If something goes wrong, try a force restart first, then free up storage and retry the update. If the device still won't update, connect to a computer and use recovery or DFU mode to reinstall iOS safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.